Hey everyone, this is Sweet Sparkle and I'm going to be giving you guys a quick first impressions as well as a review of this wig that I did receive from Sam's Beauty for my personal review. So this is the Empress wig. It's a lace front and it's in the style April in the color SOM991. And on the cover it just gives you the default color, but this is the one that I actually ordered. I got the one with the 1B on top and the under highlights are like a maroon burgundy color. So I thought that was really pretty. I hadn't had my burgundy in a while. So the front is lace, as you can see, and it has the parting that looks more realistic, that a lot of people like to tweeze or add foundation or whatever to it to make it a little bit more realistic. It's pretty long, as you can see, and I really love this color. This is the color that I used to have my real hair a few years ago. The wig is very curly and I was gonna try to brush it out, but I just thought that doing it with my fingers would be best so that I didn't disturb the curls too much. So it does have a comb attachment in the back, and it also has 2 comb attachments in the front of the wig. It also has an adjustable strap in the back in case you need to make the wig tighter or looser on your head. And this is just what the inside of the wig is looking like. Okay, so here's what the wig looks like on. For those of you who don't know, I always wear short wigs. I never wear wigs pretty much longer than this length. And this right here, I actually like this, but then when I turn around, it's like, bam, like it's a lot of hair. But the thing is, it's a pretty wig and I like it. But I think it'll be more for somebody who likes the va-va boom look. I'm more of a introvert and I don't know. I just don't like a lot of attention. And I feel like you would get a lot of attention with this wig, which is pretty. And I love the highlights in it. But it's just the length. I don't like the length on it on me. But on other people, the length would be bomb. Now, for those of you who wear wigs this length and who know how to style it, you know how to fix this part right here to look good, and you know how to curl it and flip it, you got this. This is, I love the way the front of this looks. Like, I absolutely love the front of this, and I would probably end up cutting it this length all the way around, about shoulder, collarbone length. But for those of you who like the va-va boom look, y'all would like this. Let me get my mirror where I could see. So this is the length right here. It comes down to my waist. And here's the side view right here. What it looks like. But like I said, for those of you who know how to customize wigs really good, y'all can fix the part good. You can do the cutting that you need. You can do the curling, the flat iron, or whatever you need. But I think the front of this is just absolutely beautiful. I just will take down the length a little bit for my personal liking, just for me. But let me know what you guys think about this. This is definitely outside of my comfort zone, so I was hesitant to even accept this, but I was like, well, let me just try it and see what I like it or not. And I do like it. I just would want to cut the length down a bit for my personal liking. But let me know what you guys think about this. Yay, nay, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to do a really quick review of this wig. It's comfortable. I really love the front of the wig. It's like so pretty. My camera is not doing the color justice. Seriously, I'm in the bathroom right now. And this is like absolutely beautiful. This is like so pretty. Yeah. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.